As mountain bikers, we were bored over the winter, so we developed the Hillstrike Snow Trike. It is suitable for all skill levels, from adrenaline junkies to recreational riders. What makes us special is the technique of carving, which makes the ride smooth, stable, and easy to control. Our pedal system offers the best grip, no matter if you are jumping or just cruising down the slope. We use high-end front suspension from RockShox, which helps to absorb small bumps and big hits, while the safety leash prevents the trike from escaping. The trike was designed to be used on any kind of ski lift.
We had the opportunity today for the first time to test it on big kickers, and I have to say we love it. It's just simply the geometry, everything fits together. We did some big tricks actually on the first day, which is really unusual. Normally you have to get used to the bikes, but the Hillstrike Snow Trike just feels natural.
Hi, I'm John and I invented MyFold, the grab-and-go booster seat. This is a regular car booster seat and this is MyFold. MyFold is the most advanced, compact and portable booster seat in the world. It's more than 10 times smaller than a regular booster and it's just as safe. How's that possible? Well, a regular booster seat lifts a child to be in the position of an adult. MyFold does the exact opposite. Instead of lifting the child up, it holds the seat belt down. It's that simple. MyFold is engineered to protect children from the age of 4 all the way up to 12. The patented design takes the seat belt off the stomach and the neck, making it comfortable, safe and easy to use. Carloads of kids and parents already tried, and they love it. When it comes to car seats for children, safety is the #1 priority. It's crucial for us to meet the highest regulatory standards, and we've crash-tested prototypes successfully in testing facilities all around the world. Now, people often ask me, John, where did the idea come from? So let me tell you some stories about when my 4 kids were little. Guys, come on, when you were little. Thank you. Carpooling was a big part of our lives. We always had boosters for our own kids, but not for the extras that came along. MyFold is so small that kids can keep one with them all the time. When my parents visited, we always had to juggle bulky booster seats from car to car. MyFold is so compact, you can store one almost anywhere. And MyFold is narrow, so you can easily put 3 in a row, even in the smallest cars. Do you live in a big city? How often do you jump in a taxi? They never have a booster seat, and that's not safe. And hey, by the way, that is not a taxi. Thank you.
Imagine a day in your local park and getting a whole new perspective. From the palm of your hand, picture soaring to incredible heights above the waves and float out of a hot air balloon, sharing breathtaking memories.
This is Microdrone. When we began on Microdrone, our aim was to create a small-size, personal drone that was affordable, durable, easy to fly, that works straight out of the box. A drone for everyone.
Whether you fly micro drone in extreme conditions, like on a windy beach, or in delicate ones, like inside your home, with its precision control, flexibility, and durability, you can fly it anywhere, no matter your age or flying experience. There's no other drone like it.
We're doing really innovative stuff. We don't cut corners. We're in it for the long run. We launched the first edition micro drone in 2011, and the feedback was incredible. We redesigned the second edition around a modular architecture to support a unique range of plug-and-play modules. It received rave reviews in the technical journals, online blogs, and even TV shows.
These little drones that are like
I think they're awesome, man. Have you seen the Micro Drone 2.0?
Yeah.
That's probably my favorite one.
It's incredibly nimble, perfect if you're filming extreme sports. It is very rugged, and if anything did break, its modular design means it's easy to replace any parts.
Now, after 2 years, we're ready to make Micro Drone 3.0.
Micro Drone 3.0 is designed with drone enthusiasts and excellent engineers from around the world. Components are easily expandable, upgradable, and replaceable. It's also the smallest drone to currently carry a mechanical gimbal. The HD camera streams live footage to your smartphone. The batteries slide in and out for quick hot swapping. And the plug-and-play smart modules simply snap on with magnets. Since everything either snaps or slides in, the structure is sleek, aerodynamic, and beautiful.
So now it's possible using 3D printer technology like the Ultimaker 2, you can print out your own custom frame similar to the Dragon or the Wasp.
I was super excited when the Microdrone team reached out and wanted to make a first-person view drone technology using the DodoCase VR viewers. Very few people could use first-person view drone technology even a year ago. I mean, the fact that the Microdrone team is making this technology available is really a revolutionary idea.
We want to make the quintessential drone. The drone market is evolving, and together we can drive the technology forward. We need your support. So no matter who you are, we're making sure that whoever opens the box finds a simple, reliable, affordable, durable, and fun drone. Thank you. And we look forward to making with you the next, the one and only Microdrone.
Alone, we're helpless. United, we can move mountains. Lost, looking for your friends? Need to contact your family urgently? Unfortunately, this is precisely when your battery chooses to die. That's how we came up with the idea of the Connected Sleeve by DeRigger, the first intelligent and elegant wireless embedded charger. It charges your smartphone whenever and especially wherever you need it to. The Connected Sleeve is a combination of traditional know-how in French luxury and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're at home or on the go, the Connected Sleeve can charge your phone not just once, but twice during the day. Designed in a robust case by traditional craftsmen and talented engineers, the Connected Sleeve has a 15-day power reserve. Charge your sleeve thanks to its integrated USB port, or simply place it on an inductive charging station. With the Connected Sleeve, you can access your smartphone anytime you want. Connected Sleeve by DeRigger. Stay connected.
Introducing the Matrix. Powerful and beautifully designed. 15 sensors in one little device. An amazing platform to build endless IoT applications.
First you had the internet, then you had mobile, and now it's Internet of Things. It's the most important revolution in technology. Anything in the physical environment can be connected to the online grid. Now, how do you do that in a way that is really intuitive? What the smartphone did for mobile, Matrix would do for Internet of Things. It's really simple to be part of this revolution. You get your Matrix, you pair your smartphone, you log in and add apps.
Empowered with 15 sensors capable of processing audio, detecting human emotions, and responding to environmental stimuli, the Matrix is breaking new ground on the convergence of the physical and online worlds.
As an engineer, this product really pushed me to my limits. We had to take into consideration heat, power, tolerance, package size, component sizes, and getting everything to work simultaneously and flawlessly. It is the perfect marriage of form and function.
One unifying platform, powered by global creators.
What we wanted to do was create a platform that allowed one powerful little device with 15 sensors, which gives 32,000 possible sensor combinations, and allow developers around the globe to create hundreds of thousands of applications.
For users, it's the simplicity of one device able to do hundreds of things at the same time. For developers, it's the ability to create and share inventions like never before.
As a developer, it's interesting to leverage the 15 sensors. Basically, for existing IoT products, I don't have the capabilities to build apps that leverage all these sensors very easily. So having all these sensors together in one place from the beginning with an app ecosystem makes the product really easy to use. It's really easy to get started. A few lines of typing and you already have an app. It's all JavaScript. Once you leverage our libraries, like computer vision, like the sensor libraries, you can then push the data in real time to our dashboards, which are completely configured.